Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our today's video on the latest vlog about May Mendoza's birthday kahapon sa Itbulaga. Pero na yon ay birthday ni May. Happy birthday! But subscribe na to YouTube channel. Gusto ko pag likes, shares, comments, and bisa abutin ng 500 subscribers. Supportin natin sa ating social media accounts for our latest vlog for today, 255, episode 255, entitled Main at 29. Here's your vlog! Ayan, sorry, pasensya na, baka mahulog ulit. Simulan na natin, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan na natin. Happy birthday today at 29! Happy birthday, May Mendoza, Nico May, G. Capili Mendoza at Saide May Mendoza in showbiz na ipinanak sa Bulacan, Santa Maria noong March 3, 1995. Ang magulang ay, hindi ko alam kung pangalan, hindi ko sure, pero yung kapatid, 5. 2 lalaki at 3 babae. Happy birthday, May. Kasi sa magulang, si Mary Ann Mendoza, tapos si Daddy Dam, anong pangalan ulit yung ano? Hindi ko sure. But per na. Okay, kahapon sa ating birthday celebrants ni May Mendoza sa Itbulaga ng TV5. Mayroon ding opening number gaya ni Riza May as Yaya Dab, while Wally Bayola na ginagaya sa Mega Magazine with bangs. And of course, the birthday wishes ay good health and happy. And of course, other celebrities like Maha Salvador and MJ Lastimosa nag-greets na happy birthday. And after that, for our segment, Give Me 5, mayroon ng mga henyos sa Itbulaga. Yung lalaro, yung fans ni May Mendoza, tagahanga ng yung kaibigan, kapamilya, kapatid, at kapuso ni May Mendoza sa GP5. Yung nanalo, yung Team May girls na all choices na. Then, sa sugod pa yung mga kapatid, birthday ni May Mendoza, kasi alam ko si Alea, yung mananakaw, kalakal. Yung game na gusto ko na hiling ay shoes na 36 to 38 feet. Then, si Riza May nandala. Si Karen, stop toy. Si Tasha, taga-big-big na kung may stop toys or yung shoes. While si Miles Ocampo naman is school supplies para kay Alea. Kasi next school year, pwede na mag-aaral again. While May Mendoza's birthday girl, Bane, na gusto ko hining na pwede mag-birthday party sa McDonald's, pwede sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Meron din Mac Celebration. Pero register, kaya lang parang mahal eh. Not sure. But, mabuti sa kay Alea. Para mag-aaral mabuti, Alea, good job. At sa super special barangay bayanihan, pasok ang barangay in Pasig City sa ating buwan ng Marso. Parang barangay bayanihan ng One for All. And finally, yan ang pinaka-bet na segment, Cooperative with special guest, Congressman Arjong at Harte na naglaro at nakisaya at natawa. Nananalo na more than 10,000 pesos. At yung nanalo niya, ibibigay sa audience or your studio audience ng 2 winners. Kaya congrats, Ajong Konsi, Ajong Tyler, and happy birthday, Bengay May Mendoza. At we wish you a 29th birthday. We love you so much. Happy birthday. That's it for the celebration today Thank you! Happy birthday! Mwah! Yan po ating latest vlog. Hope to see you next vlog. Bye! God bless!